Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can we check our phone model number in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to check your phone model number and guys you don't know how to check, and guys when any friend and guys any person asks from you, okay, what's your phone model number, so guys how will you tell? So in this video guys I will show you, then guys you can get know how to check phone model number in our Realme phone. So guys, now let's see. First of all guys, you will have to come in guys phone setting to check your phone model number. Then guys scroll it. Then friends, you can see your about device, means about phone, so can tap here. Then guys second option guys, you can see guys your model number, so friends you can check, and guys you can tell that person to what is your phone model number. So like that guys you can check, and guys you can tell them your phone model number. So I hope friends you have understood how to check phone model number in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.